Oh, what's the worst that can happen? Oh, that's like the story of my life right there. Let's go ahead and test this thing out and see what it can do against a sideways growing tree that I cut down. I dug up a bunch of the roots around the whole thing. So we're just gonna wrap this winch line around here. And like I said, what's the worst that can happen here? It pulls out? Yeah, who knows? Well, let's test it out and see what happens. There we go. All right, now let's push this button right here. Oh, forgot the clutch. Oh, that looks bad. All right, now let's see what happens. Whew. Yeah, it looks like we're pulling the cart more than the stump. Well, at least we know it's gonna work pretty well. Yeah, it looks like I'll have to dig out a little bit more. Try it again. All right, let's hit the brakes here, see what happens. Oh yeah, there she comes. I'm gonna set you up over here, a safe distance away. That way you don't get injured. I don't want you to get injured. You good? Can you see all right? Good. Just a second, I'm gonna reposition the cart. That way we're not pulling it at a weird angle. Get the cart straight on at it. Hang on a second. Alrighty, got it all repositioned. I'll go ahead and take the mic. That way you can hear my commentary of this. This is pretty cool. Oh, apparently my little thing fell off. All right, here we go again. Nope, we got it turned on. Here we go some more. Oh, better hit the brakes. Come on. Come on. Come on. Get some. I'd say it's pretty well upright. All right, now I gotta drag this thing around in front of the house and make the trash man go, how in the hell did they do this? Hey, if you like seeing videos like this, like, subscribe, there will be more, I'm sure. I'm always up to silliness. Well, I couldn't find any chain, but found some ratchet straps. So let's strap this thing up to the back of the cart and see if we can just drag it out for the trash man to pick up here in a couple days. I'm pretty sure that guy's in for the shock of his life, or her life, because I think, yeah. That should work. Let's try it. Let me set you a safe distance away. I went ahead and flipped the cart around. Let's go ahead and just get this thing drug out of here first. I don't want to risk any more straps. I can't find any good straps that are nice and thick. Just the cheap little green ones. And it's out. All right, let's get our drag on. Wait, that sounded weird. All right, let's go ahead and get my strap on. That didn't sound right either. Okay, let's put this strap around the tree trunk. Let's see if this works. Hopefully it will. Hey, away we go. I wonder if this voids the warranty. I wonder what the tow rating is on this thing. And now it's the trash man's problem.